Welcome to my local Handyman Services YouTube channel, your go-to destination for expert advice, tips, and tutorials on all things related to home repairs, maintenance, and improvements. Whether you're a homeowner looking for reliable service or a DIY enthusiast seeking practical advice, our channel is designed to meet your needs. Subscribing to the My Local Handyman Services YouTube channel offers numerous benefits. Our videos are created by experienced professionals who share their knowledge and tips on a wide range of topics. Learn how to tackle common home repair tasks yourself with our step-by-step guides. Get honest reviews of tools and materials, helping you make informed purchasing decisions. Keep your home in top condition with our seasonal maintenance checklists and tips. Our featured video categories include 1. Plumbing solutions. From fixing a leaky faucet to unclogging a drain, our plumbing videos cover a wide range of common issues. Our expert plumbers provide clear, step-by-step instructions to help you handle minor plumbing tasks yourself, as well as insights on when it's best to call in a professional. 2. Electrical repairs. Electrical problems can be tricky and dangerous to handle on your own. Our skilled electricians offer valuable advice on dealing with common electrical issues, such as flickering lights and faulty outlets. Learn how to safely perform basic electrical repairs and upgrades in your home. 3. Carpentry tips. Whether you're looking to build custom shelves or repair a door, our carpentry videos are here to help. Our experienced carpenters share their best practices and techniques for achieving professional results in your woodworking projects. 4. Painting guides. Transform the look of your home with our painting tutorials. From selecting the right paint to mastering various painting techniques, our professional painters guide you through every step of the process to ensure a flawless finish. 5. General repairs and maintenance. Our channel also covers a variety of general home repairs and maintenance tasks. From fixing drywall to seasonal maintenance tips, we provide comprehensive guides to help you keep your home in excellent condition. While our channel offers plenty of DIY tips, sometimes it's best to leave certain tasks to the professionals. Here are some compelling reasons to hire local handyman services. Local handymen often offer competitive pricing compared to specialized contractors, saving you money on repairs and maintenance. Local services can respond to your needs faster, ensuring that urgent repairs are addressed promptly. A skilled handyman can handle multiple tasks in one visit, providing a convenient one-stop solution for your home repair needs. Building a relationship with a local handyman means you receive tailored solutions that meet your specific needs. Hiring local services helps support the community by keeping money within the local economy and encouraging local employment. At My Local Handyman Services, we pride ourselves on delivering top-quality service with a personal touch. Our team of skilled professionals is dedicated to providing reliable, affordable, and efficient home repair and maintenance solutions. Our team consists of highly trained and experienced handymen who are experts in their respective fields. We prioritize customer satisfaction and work diligently to ensure that every job is completed to the highest standards. From minor repairs to major renovations, we offer a wide range of services to meet all your home maintenance needs. As a local business, we are committed to supporting our community and providing services that enhance the quality of life for our neighbors. For more great content and updates, be sure to subscribe to the My Local Handyman Services YouTube channel. Click the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload new videos. Follow us on social media for real-time updates, tips, and promotions. Facebook, My Local Handyman Services. Instagram, at My Local Handyman Services. Twitter, at Local Handyman. Ready to schedule an appointment or have questions about our services? Visit our website mylocalhandymanservices.com to learn more and book a hassle-free appointment. You can also reach us by phone at 561-566-5584 or email at fixit@mylocalhandymanservices.com. Thank you for visiting My Local Handyman Services YouTube channel. We are committed to providing you with the best home repair and maintenance advice, tutorials, and professional services. Whether you're tackling a DIY project or in need of expert help, our channel and services are here to support you. Subscribe today and join our community of satisfied homeowners. By following this comprehensive guide, you'll ensure your home remains in top condition while enjoying the peace of mind that comes with reliable, local handyman services.